Rising Kids with Skills. Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn alphabets with simple sentences. Let's start. A. A for airplane. A for airplane. This is an airplane. B. B for ball. B for ball. I can play with a ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. The cat is cute. D. D for dog. D for dog. The dog can run. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. The eagle can fly. F. F for fish. F for fish. The fish can swim. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. I like grapes. H. H for hat. H for hat. I wear a hat. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. This is an ink pot. J. J for jacket. J for jacket. The jacket is black. K. K for kite. K for kite. I like to fly a kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. The lion is strong. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. The monkey can jump. N. N for nest. N for nest. The bird is in the nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. This is an orange. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. The parrot is green. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. The queen has a crown. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. This is a rabbit. S. S for sun. S for sun. The sun is bright. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. This is a tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain. V. V for van. V for van. This is a van. W. W for watch. W for watch. This is my watch. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. This is a xylophone. Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. This is a yacht. Z. Z for zombie. Z for zombie. I don't like zombie. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.